Mark Benioff said 4 words and 4,000 jobs disappeared. I need less heads. His company Salesforce was going to use AI to replace huge chunks of its support team. Wall Street cheered. The stock went up. The press called him visionary. 18 months later, Salesforce is hiring those people back. And the workers they need most are the ones they cut first. Here's what actually happened. Klarna's CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski went on a global press tour, saying his chatbot was doing the work of 700 customer service agents. He wanted Klarna to be, his exact words, OpenAI's favourite guinea pig. For a while it looked like he was right. Then the customers showed up. Imagine you're trying to dispute a charge on your card. You type your problem. The bot answers with a paragraph from the FAQ. You rephrase, it loops you back to the same paragraph. You give up and tweet about it. Multiply that by millions of people. Klarna's customer satisfaction scores collapsed. This year, Siemiatkowski went on the record and said the one line every AI booster hates to hear. We went too far. Here's the part nobody says. The layoffs were never really about AI being better at the job. Less than 5% of the more than 1 million layoffs in 2025 were actually because of AI replacing workers. The rest were ordinary cost cuts dressed up in AI language, because that language made stock prices go up. Executives weren't replacing people with software. They were replacing people with a story Wall Street wanted to buy. The same story you've been hearing about your own job. The AI was the alibi, the firings were the goal, and now that the alibi has stopped working, the bill is coming due. Forrester's 2026 Future of Work report says 55% of companies regret laying off workers for AI. Of the ones who brought most of those people back, 1 in 3 spent more on rehiring than they ever saved. It rhymes with Detroit in the 70s. Automate faster than the robots can actually weld, then call the assembly line back at premium rates. The optimist case is that AI just needs more time. Maybe, but in a 2026 developer survey, 96% said they don't trust AI-generated code without a human reviewing it. The humans never left the loop, they just got laid off from it. Benioff's 4 words, I need less heads. He wasn't wrong, he did need fewer heads, just not the ones he cut. He needed the heads that could make the AI actually ship, engineers who could fix the hallucinations, patch the edge cases, hold the system together while the bots did the easy stuff. Those heads are back now. They're just charging more. 4,000 people spent 18 months explaining a gap on their resume. Right now, every CEO outside tech, in banks, hospitals, law firms, insurance, is watching this and running the same math Benioff ran. Some will learn from it, most won't. The engineers got fired for being replaceable. They got hired back for being the only ones who could fix the replacement. The math hasn't decided who's next.